In this video, I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to find a prospect and a chiropractic prospect. Use our simple site creator software, our chiropractor edition, and just go ahead and build a quick website for them. Shoot them an email or call them by phone or send them some direct mail, and hopefully land this client. So you just click the start button and the software will get started. As you can see, let me close that. Alright, and what I've done is I've gone over to Google. I did a search for chiropractor just in my local area, and you'll notice that there are some that do not have websites listed. Doesn't necessarily mean they don't have a website. Maybe they haven't updated their Google Places, but you know, this is a good way to, there's a good chance that they don't have a website if they're listed in Google Plus. But what I did was I went here and I grabbed the information really quick and I put it in a notepad file, as you can see there. One other thing that I'm going to need is the map. So the location of the map, just click on the links that are right in Google Plus. I'm going to need a map, and you'll see why in a second, for my template, and I need it 200 by 200. So I'll just go ahead and, oops, sorry about that. I just go ahead and customize it, and then I grab the embed code here. So I'll go ahead and copy that to my notepad, and that's ready to go. Okay, so let me close that window, and again, I just pulled all of this information off of just doing a search in Google, and as you can see, there's even a review here. Okay, so let me go ahead and grab that review, put that in my notepad, and I got that going and ready to go. Okay, so let me close that window behind. Now what I'll do is I'll just quickly use my notepad to fill in the details that you're going to get in the software. And the software is just going to go through a bunch of questions, as you can see as I'm scrolling through them. Okay, so let me go back to the beginning here. And the business name. So for the business name, I'm going to go ahead and just put in the chiropractor's name, and then hit next. I need the business phone number. I'll put that in there. Business email. So they may not have an email, and I don't think I found an email address in here because, you know, they don't have a website. So what I'm going to do for that is just put in a just a fake email for now, just to show you how that works. You could leave it blank if you wanted to. Website, if they already have a website that you can, a main website, or you know, you can just put in a potential website that you can build for them. So if it's like lamaradachiropractic.com, maybe that domain name is available. I would put that in there so that you can show them, hey, that's available, and I can grab that for you and get this all set up. So let me hit the next button there. Now we go through some of these questions. Street name, and you can see down here at the bottom there's hints and tips for every single question, but for the most part they're pretty self-explanatory. Put the city name, the state, put the zip code in there. Now testimonial, remember I grabbed that testimonial, so make sure it's a good one. Alright, and there was only one for Javier. Maybe we'll put the city. Alright, and then for testimonial 2, let's just go ahead and we'll just put a fake one in there for now, just so you can see how it looks. And then the Google Map location, that is what I grabbed off of the Google Places. Go ahead and put that in there. And again, just to show you, I just clicked on the map here. It redirected me here I just hit the link and then I customize it to 200 by 200 because that is what the software recommends, and that's what you're told right here, 200 pixels by 200 pixels. Let me go ahead next. Now enter YouTube embed code frame. So if you're going to enter a video, now there is not a video included with this package here. You only get the software and a few other things, but I do have a chiropractic PLR pack that you can get a customized video. It's a completely different product, but let me go ahead and go over to YouTube and grab the embed code. Okay, so I'm in YouTube, and this is the chiropractic video sample from the video that's included in the chiropractic PLR pack that we launched a while back, and you can get that, like I said, as part of the chiropractic PLR pack. But you can link to any video you want. If you have a custom video that you've already created, anything that you want, all you would have to do is upload it to YouTube, which is really easy. You go ahead and get the embed code here. So copy that code. We're going to paste it right in there, and then we just need to change the dimensions to 425 by 250. So 25, 250. Once you have one video that you're going to be using, you can use it over and over again. This step is just a piece of cake. You're just going to copy and paste your code in, so it shouldn't be no issue at all. Now, Facebook links, if they have a Facebook page, maybe you can put that in there, but there are some icons on the websites that you can use to maybe upsell them and say, hey, you don't have a YouTube marketing channel, you also don't have do you have a LinkedIn account? If not, it's very great for business. Let me set that up. This is how much I charge. And you can just show them all the different services that you offer. Okay, so let me just go ahead and fill those in. Now I'm going to put in just some keywords just for SEO purposes. Lamrata chiropractor. Alright, and now I have a finish button because this is my last question here. So I'm going to click finish. I'm going to put a folder on my desktop called Donald Goodwin. I'm going to click OK, and now the files are going to start heading over into that folder, in the Donald Goodwin folder. As you can see, they're all there in desktop Donald Goodwin. So let me click OK. Now at this point I'll also want to save this file. Okay, so let me go find the Donald Goodwin folder, and I'm going to save this, because if my client decides yeah, I really like that, but can you change this, this, and this, I don't want to go through all that again. So this will save the file so that I can always go back and just change my information. Otherwise it'll be a blank slate when you open it up again. So I'm going to go ahead and close my software up, because I'm pretty much done with that. And then here's my folder. As I open my folder, I have 4 website templates in there. There's the index file here. Let me try to shrink this down to get it on the video. Okay, but as you can see, his name is up there, his phone number here again. At Donald Goodwin, DC, we know there are many reasons. I mean, that his name is implanted in all over the articles. Okay, the video, there's the video. Okay, the phone number is all over. The email, now remember you're going to have to change that email. If they say, yeah, we want to buy that, you'd have to go in and change it. That's why the save function is very important. Here's the Google map for his location, so you can see that's all set up. You can also see that the testimonials are all set up. So you can go through the whole, you have icons up here, you have the email all set up, ready to click. There's the contact information, there's images already built into it, and it's not only that, there's 4 templates. Okay, Donald Goodwin, everything's in there. And then let me go back to the third one. There's another one. And the articles are all the same, and everything, the whole process is the same, except the style of the template has changed a little bit. and everything's all set up for you. And that's the key, for you to take just 5 minutes of your day to get a potential prospect. Okay? So now all I need to do is just head on over to my FTP program, send these over to a domain name that I have, and I'm done. And I'm at about 10 minutes now in the video. So in under 10 minutes, I was able to build 4 different websites for my prospect. Now all I have to do is send them a direct piece of mail to the address and tell them that I've created a website for them, or I could give them a phone call and give them the link. They probably have a secretary and you can send that to them, or ask them for an email address that you can send the information to, and tell them you've already built 4 custom style of websites and you're willing to lease them or sell them, or at least make an appointment to go over them with them, and hopefully close the deal. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoy what I've presented here, and there's a buy button at the bottom of this page. Go ahead and click that buy button. The price is low, and what you get are some pretty good ways to get a new chiropractic prospect or client in your area. Thanks guys for taking the time to watch this.